Designed with Shroud, built for play. Here's our unboxing of the G303 Shroud Edition.
Designed to my specs, tailored to my hand. It's a dream come true. This is my mouse.
At Logitech G, we're all about advancing the possibilities of play, so we decided to go to one of the best when creating our latest mouse. The original G303 Daedalus Apex was a favorite of gaming legend Shroud, so we've worked in collaboration with him to design a brand new one. He described his exact requirements and preferences to be at the top of his game, and we used the latest technologies to build it. We used hand molds to create the perfect fit. Switches are positioned to get the best response and fastest clicks possible. Every detail has been considered. This isn't just a new G303, this is a Shroud G303. For those less familiar with the GOAT of aim, let us fill you in. Shroud made his name as a pro CSGO player and now keeps us watching his every move streaming. He's also regarded as one of the best aimers in the world with near inhuman timing and accuracy. So if you want your game to be out of this world, he's the one to watch. All right, let's take a closer look at the G303 Shroud Edition. So this is what the mouse will come in. Let's take a closer look. And put it on its side, and super easy to open. Just building anticipation. And there we go. Ooh, it looks so good. I love the shape of it. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side just for a second. We're gonna come back to it. It is the star of the show. But let's see what else we've got. So it's cushioned nicely in here. Move that over. And first up, we've got the USB-C charging cable. Okay, and nestled in here, we have the Lightspeed receiver on top, and it is plugged into the receiver extension adapter. All right, we'll put those back because we're not using them right now. We want to have a look at the mouse. Okay. Ooh, here it is. I'll just remove the plastic underneath, so we've got it absolutely clean and beautiful. And there we go. So, one of the first things you'll notice is how great it feels. The shape supports your hand for a perfect grip across the whole mouse, so you can line up those precise shots. Plus, at just 75 grams, the G303 is lightweight, ready to move as quickly as you need. On the top here, you also have a DPI indicator as well as a DPI switch behind the wheel. So you can instantly change settings on the fly to match Shroud at 450. One less thing to slow you down in the game. You've got 5 buttons, standard left, right, and wheel, and 2 on the side to program as you like. And they just feel great. Listen to that. Underneath, you'll see these additive-free glide pads covering the base right up to the very edge for that smoothest possible feel. The G303 will sail across your desk with no resistance as you play. When you're in a tough competition, the last thing you want is your mouse slowing you down. Next, you have the power switch here for turning it on and off, which is also right next to the Hero 25K gaming sensor. This is our most advanced tournament-grade sensor for 1:1 tracking. So when you move the mouse, it'll match exactly what's happening on your screen, because every second counts. Expect 400 plus IPS, as well as zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration. Here, we also have the dongle storage tucked away at the back, so you can keep everything safe when you're not using it. That probably won't be very often though, as practice makes perfect after all. Then lastly, we have the USB-C port for charging, but as the G303 Shroud Edition has a full 140 hours battery life from one charge, you won't be reaching for that all too often. Of course, no wires means it also has Logitech G's Lightspeed wireless for performance and responsiveness worthy of a pro, as wireless shouldn't be a compromise. Shroud wouldn't have it any other way. All the packaging is also FSC certified to support responsible management of the world's forests, as at Logitech G, we're committed to sustainability. You can also take your G303 Shroud Edition anywhere in the special carrying pouch, which you can pick up separately. It provides dust and scratch protection and also comes in a special edition shroud design. You might have noticed along the side there are markings which are exactly where Shroud places his fingers, so you can try and get his exact grip too. That's the G303 Shroud Edition. We absolutely loved designing this with Shroud and can't wait to see the incredible headshots he and everyone else gets with the G303 in hand. For more videos on all our latest releases, subscribe to Logitech G and hit the notification bell so you never miss another.